question actually says above, which you can't read it, it says find out the values A, B, and 3C. Okay, so with this question, you need to think outside the box. Okay, there's no numbers given other than this and this. What is given in this question? We're gonna think, okay, it's a triangle. We do know that this actually means that all sides are equal. So you can see there, this works. So like this. What that means is that all the sides are equal. And what else? It means that all the angles are also equal as well. So what type of triangle is this? It's an equilateral triangle. So if it's an equilateral triangle, that means all the angles must add up together to equal to what? What's the total angle in a triangle? 180 degrees. Okay, so if all the angles in a equilateral triangle, right, the angle is equal to 180 degrees, that means each angle, how do I work that out? Okay, so there's 3 angles. Okay, I already know how to go about this, but 180 divided by 3 equals to 60. That means this angle, and this angle is equal to 60. So we know for a fact then A is equal to 60 degrees. What about this one? How do we figure out what B is? So we know that this angle is equal to also 60. So how do I write that? 2B is equal to 60 degrees. Now how do I work this out? How do I solve for B? Okay, go back to equations. What do I have to do? Divide by 2. Divide by 2. B is equal to 30 degrees. This scenario, how do I work out for C as well? Okay, 3C is equal to 60 degrees. Why? Every single angle here is equal to 60. Why? It's because an equilateral triangle. Every angle adds up to 180 degrees. How do I work out what my C is? C is equal to 60 divided by 3, which is 20 degrees. And that's how I find that out. So at the end, you need to then write A is equal to 60. B is equal to 30 degrees. C is equal to 20. Well, technically we shouldn't have the degree sign, but those are just values, okay? And that's how you give your answer, okay? At the end, you need to write that down. That's really, really important. That's how you go about that question.